and Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Towns County in northeastern Georgia, west central Lumpkin County in north central Georgia, eastern Gilmer County in north central Georgia, Union County in north central Georgia, eastern Fannin County in north central Georgia, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Notley Dam to near Talina, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Blairsville, Young Harris, Morganton, Sushes, Gumlog, Jones Creek, Loving, Carter Cay, Pisgah, Stover Creek Shelter, Gaddstown, Hemp, Talina, Camp Merrill, Margaret, Notley Dam, Ivy Log, Hurst, Dial, and Springer Mountain Shelter. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A severe thunderstorm